Pasta salads get mushy or bland. This one stays genuinely creamy and it is always the first dish to disappear at a barbecue. So let's make creamy pasta salad. We're starting with the dressing. Add 1.5 cup of full fat yogurt to a bowl. You can always use low fat yogurt if you prefer. Then add half a cup of mayonnaise. I like using more yogurt, less mayonnaise because it makes the salad lighter without sacrificing that creamy texture. I'm just gonna give those a quick mix, then I will add the rest of the ingredients. Now I'm going to add the juice of 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of ketchup for just a touch of sweetness. Mix everything together until it's smooth and creamy. After this pasta salad, I've got one more summer salad coming. Can you guess what it is? Stick around, I'll reveal it by the end of this video. Now, back to our pasta salad. I have my cooked pasta here, so I will add that to a bowl. Then go in with corn, red beans, pickles, pitted and sliced black olives, and half a bell pepper. I'm using a mix of red, yellow, and green for extra color. Now pour over the dressing, and of course you will find all the ingredients listed in the description box. Give everything a good mix until every piece is coated in that creamy dressing. And if you're enjoying this pasta salad so far, don't forget to give this video a like. Now it is ready to serve, but here's a tip. I like to chill it in the fridge for about 30 minutes or an hour before serving. It gives all the flavors time to come together, and it tastes even better. Today's mystery salad was a colorful black bean avocado corn salad. If you guessed it right, let me know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that recipe. Thank you for watching Meals by Mary, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!